Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez, doing another quick and easy card for Easter. And so the stamp set that I'm going to be using is the Teeny Tiny Wishes, which has a lot of sentiment, so I think this is a great one to have. This is an old one for me. I had it already for several years, and it's still one of my to-go ones because it does have a lot of the sentiments. There's Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, Valentine's, anniversary, retirement. I mean, there's a lot of them here. And especially for right now, I have one that says Happy Easter. So this seems to be perfect for the occasion. I also using the cross. You can see this gorgeous cross. Don't you think? I just fall in love with this one. Out of the Cross of Hope framelits, and this is part of the bundle. Again, when you purchase this as a bundle, you save 10%. This is the Hold On to Hope stamp set, and a lot of the framelits coordinate really well with the images on the stamp set. And again, when you get them together, you save 10%. So anyway, and this is the one that I use for this cross, which I think is just gorgeous. I also already die cut, as you can see, the ovals in Crumb Cake in Whisper White using the layering ovals framelits. And this is another great one because you get a lot of it. Like you see here, you can embellish your ovals with the same set. So another perfect one to have for the collection. And then I also emboss. I always forget about my embossing folders, but I also emboss already the pink, no, this is powder pink cardstock with the Petal Burst embossing folder. So those are the items that I use today. Now, as far as I mentioned, this is Crumb Cake, and this is 5.5 by 8.5, and this one is 4 by 5 1/4. And like you saw, I already die cut the ovals and the crust, which I think I want to have them like so. The first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be gluing this one because that will be the one that takes a little bit more time. And this one, we're going to be using the fine tip glue pen. And it takes a little bit of time, but believe me, it's just worth it. I love using this glue for this type of images, or die cuts I should say. So anyway, I'm doing all the outside, and then of course I'm going to be doing the middle area because I don't want anything to fall apart. I want the recipient to get it in one piece. So let's just focus on that, and of course it's harder for me to concentrate and talk, so bear with me. Like I said, I'm only putting here in the middle as well a little bit. And okay, here it is. So I'm going to be putting this one right in the center, and I'm going to hold it for a second. And by the way, while we're doing this, for the month of, or actually for 2018 each month, for 2018 each month, I am doing a card kit in the mail for everyone who places an order on my online store, and the which you can go to creatingwithali.com and get to my online store. But if you use the hostess code during this month, you'll get a card kit to make 4 cards in the mail the following month. Now, if your order is $50 or more, you also get the accessory of the month. So now, if you're watching this video on a different month, so say it's April now, go to my blog at creatingwithali.com, and on the top there's a 2018 ordering incentive, and you'll get the new hostess code available for that month. Again, each month you're gonna get a different card kit on the month. And again, the other thing is that I send them on the following month because it's a monthly incentive. So here it is. I mean, it's gorgeous. Now let me just close this one. As usual, it's very important that you close this one so that it doesn't clog up and it's always ready to go the next time you need it. So let's just go ahead and fold this one in half. Okay. One folder. Oh. Okay, we're gonna be gluing these last fuse. Okay, and let's just glue this one here, and I'm thinking about doing dimensionals. Of course, you know me. You know me by now. I love dimensionals. I feel like every card looks just fantastic when you add dimension to it, you know. It's just those little things that really make a card pop up. So, or a stand. Okay, so here we go. Now I want to use this, what is this called, the burlap ribbon. I feel like it will go really nicely if we have it like so. So let's just cut some of these, and actually I think I should have probably gotten with a little bit less than that, but okay, we'll cut it. Okay, I like that, and I feel like I need to staple it, you know. I feel like I need that. And then probably let's put some of this gold sequins so that it goes really well with what I have. Ooh, that looks gorgeous, don't you think? Okay, so now let's just staple this. I'm just staple these, and I'm going to be cutting these. And let's just put it like so, and then we'll cut as we need it. Let's just see. Yes, now I don't like that this one has a little bit of kind of like a hair there. And we're going to be using glue dots. What do you think, huh? So let's just put, and I'm putting like about 3 of them. There we go. And I might need to cut a little bit more. Let's just put this one, and maybe, oh, actually it's like so. Okay. We'll do the same here. Alright. Oh, yes. Oh, I love it. It looks gorgeous. Okay, now we're going to be adding more. And let me just take this to the trash. And let's just add. So I need to have like here, in here, and here, and here. Yes. Wow, yes. Okay. Alrighty. Let's just make it flat. perfect. Oh wow, I love it. I love it. And now, let's just use this one. And I'm going to be using a little bit of, I'm going to put this so you can see it too. I'm going to be using a darker tone so that I can see it. So I'm going to be using Blushing Bright, I believe it is, yes, Blushing Bright, so that we can see it better. And so, let's just see. Perfect. Ooh, I love it. I love it. Now for this one, and again, this is just a scrap, so we're gonna cut right in the center. And you know what? In fact, I'm gonna make it smaller. There we go. And we're gonna add, and I think this one, I would love it here. Oh yes, or no, I like it here. So I'm gonna put 2 of those little tiny new dimensionals that we have. And and we're gonna put it right in the center of the crust. Okay, what do you think, huh? I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. So anyway, so this is it for today. I'll have all the items that I use on this card on my blog, again at creatingwithali.com. And also I'll have the description of all the items on my video description as well. So anyway, you also you can also subscribe to my mailing list, and I'll send a tutorial to make 5 cards using the I think is it Creators. I forgot the name, but anyway, there's 5 cards that I send on the mail. Not the cards, but the tutorials that I send on the email to anyone who subscribes to my email. So again, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have enjoyed it. Like I said, this die cut is just perfect. So again, thank you and see you soon.